Welcome to Techie Creators. In this video, you will learn primary key constraint. First, what are constraints? Constraints are used to specify rules for the data in a table. It is used to limit the type of data that can go into a table to maintain accuracy and integrity of data inside the table. What is primary key constraint? Primary key constraint uniquely identify each row in a table. Primary key must contain unique values and it does not accept null values. A table can have only one primary key. Let's see practically. Let me create a table. With two columns, ID and name. I have created primary key in column ID. Table created. Let me insert some data into it. Insert into table name. I am inserting the value only in name column. Let's see what happens. Now run this. You can see there is an error, that is you cannot insert null value into ID. Let me insert another row with all the column values. Now you can see one row inserted. Let me fetch the data from the table. You can see one row inserted. Now again I am inserting the same row. It is giving an error, that is unique constraint violated. It means you cannot insert duplicate value in a column because I have created a primary key in a column ID. So primary key constraint automatically has a unique constraint. It means all the values in a ID column should be unique. From this example, you can see if you create a primary key in a table, you cannot insert null value and all the values in a column should be unique. Thanks for watching.